Hilo, Hawaii, visiting 4 wonderful waterfalls and finishing up with a zip line. It's a beautiful morning in Hilo, and we are here at the Waikelu River, and we are going to check out Akaka Falls and the boiling pot. The pathway to the boiling pots. We're at our second stop, the Rainbow Falls. It's a short walk to this waterfall from the parking lot. It's definitely beautiful. And off to our next adventure.
Okay, we are here at the parking lot at Akaka Falls. We're gonna hike over to the Kahuna Falls, which is 300 feet, a 300-foot fall, and then continue on to the Akaka Falls, which is a 442-foot fall, and the whole loop is 0.4 miles round trip.
This is the circle route.
Suggested circle route.
The suggested circle route. Stay on the paved path. Okay, we're on the paved path heading down to the falls, and we're in this nice little stream gorge, which is beautiful and lush. Beautiful bamboo. You can hear the stream and a leaf blower. And look at all those ferns. More bamboo.
That is the Kole Kole stream.
The Kole Kole stream.
Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right.
We're heading down in there through this bamboo forest.
Kind of overgrown. You can't really see it that well.
Yeah, it's a little overgrown, but man, that is cool.
You can see more down there.
Looks like it's coming right out of the trees. We're going up to the next level. Maybe there's a better lookout spot here for that. We're coming out onto the falls. Yeah, it looks like there's some really good lookout points right down here. Oh yeah, here we go.
Camera. It's just a little.
Well, this was definitely worth the $5 entry fee. Wouldn't you say?
Absolutely.
So on our way out, we see this little stream with some more waterfalls. Just a little tiny one in all the foliage. We're here at the famous triple tier, Makama Falls. Well, we're walking up towards the falls. It's about a third of a mile up this little paved road that we've got here. So, should be fun. Well, as we go further up the trail, we get to see one of the triple pieces of the waterfall. Okay, so we've made it to the Green Gate, which is the end of the trail that we're allowed to go to because this is private property past here. So we got to see close up the lower tier of the falls, but that was nice. After visiting the waterfall, we cross under a zip line and check out the fun. Thanks for watching this Hilo waterfall adventure. Like and subscribe for more.